Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone has power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions during system changes. Open the Settings app now. It's the gear icon in your apps or on the home screen. Once open, use the search bar at the top and type Language if you don't see language immediately. This saves time when menus differ. Make sure you're changing the device language, not just keyboard language, because that controls system menus and app defaults. Now you navigate to General Management or System. Samsung models may label it differently, so use the path that matches your phone. Tap Language and Input, then open Languages or Add Language. This area controls system-wide language. Choose your desired language from the list, and if prompted, select a region variant. Once added, drag that language to the top of the list or tap Set as default so the system immediately switches. This ensures menus. Finish by confirming the change. Most phones switch instantly, but some apps need a restart. If parts of the interface still show the old language, reboot the device and reopen affected apps. If you can't find settings because the language is unfamiliar, use the settings search icon, type a familiar word like language in English, or enable accessibility voice prompts to guide you. As a last resort, sign in to your Samsung account to push settings or backup in factory. Reset only after you've exhausted other options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.